Hey guys, welcome back. If you love finding cool, practical stuff on Amazon, things that genuinely make life easier, you're in the right place. Today, I have 7 Amazon products that honestly changed the game for me. Some I didn't even know existed until I stumbled on them. Stick around because number 4 and number 6 are absolute game changers. Let's get into it. Product number 1, JISULIFE. Handheld mini fan, 3-in-1, fan plus flashlight plus power bank. Okay, kicking things off with something I genuinely use every single week, the JISULIFE handheld mini fan. Now before you scroll past thinking, I don't need a tiny fan, hear me out. This thing is not just a fan. It is a 3-in-1 device that works as a fan, a flashlight, and a power bank. Yes, all 3-in-1 pocket-sized gadget. It is rechargeable, super compact, and perfect for summer trips, outdoor events, or commuting. I have seen people keep this in their purse or backpack and it fits perfectly. If you travel a lot or spend time outside in the heat, this is non-negotiable. You can find it on Amazon. Just search JISULIFE handheld mini fan. International shipping is available too, so if you're in Europe, you're covered. Product number 2, Esarora ice roller for face and eye, moving on to number 2. And this one is for my skincare lovers out there. Meet the Esarora ice roller for face and eye. If you wake up with puffy eyes, tension headaches, or if you just want that fresh, glowy look in the morning, this little tool is going to be your new best friend. You literally just freeze it overnight, roll it across your face in the morning, and boom. Instant depuffing, reduced redness, hot and a super refreshed feeling. It also helps with migraines when you roll it on your temples. This thing went viral for a reason, and once you try it, you will wonder how you ever did your morning routine without it. Search Esarora ice roller on Amazon to find it. It ships to Europe as well. Product number 3, Senshin Seochi. Slice ceramic safety cutter, mini box opener. Alright, number 3 is one that sounds super simple but is genuinely one of those things where you think, why didn't I have this sooner? It's the Slice ceramic safety cutter, a tiny little box opener with a ceramic blade. Here's why it's brilliant. The ceramic blade cuts through packaging, boxes, blister packs, tape, without ever cutting your fingers. You know that panic moment when you're ripping open a stubborn package and almost slice your hand? That's over with this thing. Perfect for the kitchen, office, or anywhere you regularly deal with packages. Search Slice. Ceramic safety cutter on Amazon to find it. International shipping is supported so everyone can get their hands on this one. Product number 4, EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter. Okay, this is the one I promised would be a game changer, and I was not exaggerating. The EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter is an absolute must-have for anyone who travels internationally. Whether you're heading to Europe, the UK, Asia, or anywhere else, this one adapter works everywhere. It supports multiple plug types, Type C and F for Europe, Type G for the UK, and standard US plugs, and it has built-in USB ports so you can charge multiple devices at once. No more carrying a bag full of different adapters. No more arriving at a hotel and realizing your charger is useless. And this product genuinely removes travel stress. Search EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter on Amazon to grab it. Also look at the Tessin European version if you're based in Europe. Both are excellent options. Product number 5, JISULIFE Portable Neck Fan, Bladeless, hands-free. Number 5 is from JISULIFE again, and honestly, they just keep delivering. This is the portable neck fan. It's bladeless, hands-free, and you literally just hang it around your neck like a pair of headphones. This is perfect for outdoor festivals, traveling, hiking, the gym, or any situation where you're hot but need your hands free. Because it's bladeless, it's completely safe. No hair getting caught, no worrying around little ones. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and people who own it are obsessed. I wore mine on a summer trip and strangers kept stopping to ask where I got it. Search JISULIFE Portable Neck Fan on Amazon to find it. Ships to Europe too. Product number 6, Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Alright, here it is. The second game changer I promised. This one is called Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. And I know that name sounds like something for toddlers. But listen, this spray works on absolutely everyone and everything. You know those stains you've convinced yourself are just permanent? Grass, food, grease, this spray destroys them. Just spray directly on the stain before washing and watch the magic happen. It's safe on kids' clothes, adult clothes, pretty much any fabric, and it works fast. Its reviewers genuinely say, "I didn't know I needed this until I had it." Just search Miss Mouth's Messy Eater on Amazon. International shipping available, so you can order from almost anywhere. This becomes a household essential once you try it. Product number 7, Packing Cubes / Slim Outlet Extender Sleek Socket. And finally, number 7. And this one is actually a 2-in-1 pick, because both options are brilliant depending on what you need. First up, packing cubes. If you travel even semi-regularly and you're not using packing cubes yet, you are seriously missing out. They organize your suitcase so efficiently that you can fit significantly more than you normally would, and finding things in your bag becomes instant. The Amazon Basics Packing Cube Set is a great affordable starting point. Multiple sizes, lightweight, and they hold up well over time. Perfect for Europe travel, weekend getaways, or keeping your gym bag tidy. The second option is the Sleek Socket or Cartolets Tack, an ultra-thin outlet cover with a built-in extension. If you ever find yourself in a hotel or Airbnb fighting over the one outlet near your bed, this thing solves the problem instantly. It plugs in flat against the wall and gives you multiple ports to work with. Search Sleek Socket on Amazon and you'll see exactly what I mean. Search Amazon Basics Packing Cubes on Amazon for the travel organizers, and search Sleek Socket for the outlet gadget. Both are fantastic additions to your travel kit. Outro. And that is a wrap on today's 7 Amazon products you didn't know you needed. But now you absolutely do. All the links are in the description below so you can easily check each one out. Whether it's the neck fan keeping you cool, the ice roller transforming your skincare, or the travel adapter ending outlet nightmares, there is genuinely something on this list for everyone. If this video helped you out, smash the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment down below telling me which product you're trying first. I love reading those. See you in the next one.